Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is more effective for men? Hey fitness enthusiasts, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to building a strong core, men often debate between sit-ups and crunches, but which exercise is truly more effective for men looking to enhance their core strength and definition? Sit-ups are a traditional exercise that involves lifting your entire upper body off the ground. This movement engages a variety of muscle groups, including the abdominals, hip flexors, and lower back. For men, sit-ups can be particularly beneficial as they contribute to overall core strength and can support other compound lifts and athletic activities. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Crunches, on the other hand, isolate the abdominal muscles by focusing on lifting the shoulders off the ground. This concentrated effort on the ABS can help in developing a more defined midsection. For men aiming for that chiseled look, crunches provide a targeted workout that emphasizes the rectus abdominis. Both exercises offer unique benefits. Sit-ups can help build a robust core foundation, which is essential for overall strength and stability. Crunches are excellent for honing in on abdominal definition, making them a go-to for those looking to sculpt their ABS. Ultimately, the effectiveness of sit-ups versus crunches for men depends on individual fitness goals. Incorporating both exercises into your routine can provide a balanced approach, combining strength and definition for optimal core development.